Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate ClickUp with Google Tasks step by step. This integration helps you keep all your tasks in sync between the two platforms, so you can manage everything in one place. First, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Click on your profile avatar in the lower left corner, then select Integrations from the menu. In the list of available integrations, find Google and click Connect. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account and grant ClickUp permission to access your tasks. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete this. Once connected, head over to the Automations section or use Zapier or Make inside ClickUp if you want deeper customization. For example, you can set an automation so that whenever you create a new task in ClickUp, it automatically appears in Google Tasks or vice versa. This keeps both platforms perfectly aligned without manual updates. Finally, test the connection by creating a task in either tool and checking if it appears in the other. And that's it! You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Google Tasks, making your productivity workflow much smoother and more efficient. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.